make some noise because it's another episode of...
Hey, footballer!
That's right. We're back.
Wrong show. Sorry, this is Hari Ini Dalam Sejarah.
And that's the show that is brought to you thanks to Rams
RPM.
Realty.
Cool.
If you're ever looking for property, don't forget, look for Rams Realty, the number one agency here in the Klang Valley for property. Thank you, Ramama, for making this a possibility. Okay, over here. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. If you're new, if you like the show, hit the subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, one random person is going to be walking away with what, guys?
Some special edition sporting apparel that you will...
It's definitely going to be worth it.
You'll thank your lucky stars.
There you go.
It's just so brilliant. But then
Loving
you
it.
have to
Loving it.
help us reach 1,000 before you'll find out what it is.
Hey, but the thing is, it's been a while since we had a show, and since the last time we had a show, a few transfers have actually been finalized.
Transfers, yep.
Yeah, right. Transfers. Oh, but before that, I forgot. I'm Prashant. That's Raja, and that's
Raja.
Abi. Our handles over here. My mistake. Sorry.
Follow me on Instagram. I got very few followers. Please
I got fewer than him.
help a homie.
I'm on Instagram as well. Yeah, so Prash 7 and 9. Don't forget. Hit me up
Prashant
there.
has the most.
I'm
Ratio-wise.
sure. I'm sure if you go, ratio, power to weight ratio.
Power to weight, yeah.
Okay, anyways, so let's take a look at some of the transfers that have actually taken place. Abi, you'd be happy with this one, you bloody bugger. Huh?
I mean, I would not say it really.
I mean, Willian is ready.
We're still missing two key players.
There you go, there, look at that.
Oh my god, what is up with this animation graphic? Wow, you guys
Raja-
damn stylo, huh?
I mean,
Raja loves to overdo shit, I tell you, serious. Damn dumb. Okay, but yeah, I mean,
but
Willian.
the thing is, Willian's 32.
Yeah.
And I do not doubt his talents and his capabilities, but at this
Kana, what do you think about this transfer, Kana? Do you like this transfer? Yeah,
Kinda off screen there with punditry.
I'm loving it. But yeah.
Okay, as an Arsenal fan, Abi, I got one quick question.
Okay.
Do you think Willian is too old?
whenever Raja says as an Arsenal fan, I got a quick question.
because-
I'm afraid. I'm genuinely afraid.
Do you think Willian is too old?
I mean, not too old. I wouldn't say too old, but I feel like 32 in his position, players at that age tend to lose their speed. And Willian is not a player that heavily relies on speed. He's got technical abilities and he's Brazilian. So it's interesting. We're also building sort of a Brazilian core with Edu and all that.
Yeah.
Are we gonna bring on the graphic of another person that I'm
Okay, yeah, let's take a look at the other transfer that have also secured another Brazilian man. United were looking at him for a while as well, but Mr. Gabriel Magale.
Somehow he's got a
He's
Tamil
in.
name. He's got a Tamil name. Magales.
So as an Arsenal fan, I romba magalchi to Magale.
Kana, how do you feel? How do you pronounce his name, Kana?
I don't know how to pronounce
Hey, you don't think Brazilian, they think Sendamil.
Magale.
They're right. Yeah, but
women,
But he's going to be coming in at centre back. He's coming in from Lille, 25 million pounds. Do you guys actually think that this is a bargain? His age, the fact that he's left-footed. What do you guys think? Is it a bargain?
I think that's
Definitely,
the important factor because I think Arteta comes from the school of coaching that Pep Guardiola also started, which is they like to have left-footed left centre back, right-footed RCB.
Yeah, there you
so
go,
they
there
both
you go.
can start playing from the back. So they have it's easier for them to pass,
Exactly,
So with
and-
that, I think
And
Magale.
also, what is exciting is because he's a centre back, a problem fixing situation here. We have a problem at hand. Willian is. We've got Pepe playing in that position. That is why, I wouldn't say I'm so excited. Arteta wants to move him to a central role, but then we got Danny Ceballos back on loan.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've got
Arsenal making the right moves. They're finally actually
we've got
they're fixing problem areas.
We
Finally,
are
after a long
Still
time.
no CDM, I might add.
See, that
fair
is
enough.
what-
Since the time of
This
Wenger.
is what I'm talking
Still
about. So
no
when you
CDM.
brought up Willian, I wasn't too excited because it's not the solution yet.
Fair enough.
We have Ozil.
But Gabriel
Ozil
coming in, that is one of those.
Recently in a friendly Arsenal had against Aston Villa. Yes, Arsenal lost the game 3-2, but Aubameyang scored brace. And
As he does,
as
as
usual.
About is just
So you feel like we're in a position where having Gabriel is gonna change things for us.
Fair enough.
Definitely, we got Pablo Mari to play alongside him. We don't have to heavily rely on. We've got David Luiz also. He's Brazilian.
Saliba.
teammate. Saliba,
which
William
is
Saliba.
Hey, but this is not an Arsenal show, lah. So let's move on, lah. Okay, bloody Marcus, I tell you. It's about time we spoke about a player that was linked with Real Madrid not so long ago, but then now he's made the move to Manchester United.
Mr. Van der Beek.
Donny van de Beek in the house.
Okay, now.
Woo!
What a signing. What a signing by Ole Gunnar.
Seriously. You know, I do not want to say anything now super weird again lah, because then it'll sound like I'm bringing back the story back to Arsenal. But Van der Beek was supposed to join Arsenal
Fair
just
enough, fair
because
enough.
of the fact that Van der Beek's girlfriend is Arsenal's legend Dennis Bergkamp's daughter lah.
There you go.
So that's a fact that if you didn't know,
there you
you
go.
knew it in Dave.
You heard it first on Day Football, lah, you know. You bloody
Right.
Malaysians.
I didn't know that.
No, I
So-
take that back.
But apparently, Bergkamp himself like sort of endorsed the move to joining Manchester United, saying like it's going to be a good club, and Van der Beek wanted to move to the Premier League. So
Fair enough.
I made respect to United
I mean,
for
like,
getting this player.
and the best part, the fee is actually 35 million pounds, but it's
That is
going to rise up. But it's going to rise up to 40 million pounds. But that's the best part. No matter
about right.
what he achieves,
That's okay.
He's 40 million pounds. It's better going for him compared to going for a Madison or Jack Grealish, because like they would have cost you
Yeah.
70 or 80 million pounds.
which is ridiculous.
And the best part is, in the past 3
Overpriced.
years, he scored 41 goals playing in his position. So I'm like
attacking
thinking,
midfielder.
exactly.
box to box,
But he's
all
versatile. That's the
action.
beauty of it. Exactly. So like, I honestly think it's going to be exciting times for United.
The fact that he's Dutch, lah.
Yeah,
You already know
yeah.
he comes with technical ability, and the best part is he comes from that Ajax team,
Yeah.
the same Ajax team
Yeah.
that had the league,
Yeah.
that had De Jong, that had Ziyech now at Chelsea.
But speaking
So-
of Hakim Ziyech, let's take a look at
Oh.
another person that's also been. He's already at Chelsea now. Kai Havertz, Mr. Kai Havertz. What, their sixth signing, if I'm not mistaken, seventh.
Seven in total.
Signing.
Yep.
Malangsa, Thiago Silva,
Timo
Muyamba,
Werner.
Timo Werner, Hakim Ziyech,
Ben Chilwell.
Ben Chilwell, Malangsa. I said Malangsa already.
Xavier
Yeah.
Muyamba.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we
That's
said
crazy, yeah.
We said that.
Somebody else we missing.
Hey, but
yeah.
I think like
And
using
Mr. Kai Havertz lah.
Mr. Kai Havertz, lah.
Yeah.
Hey, but
So I
actually,
think that
if you
makes
guys
sense.
think about it, using Chelsea right now in FIFA would be absolutely amazing. Right?
Oh my God, yeah, right.
Right.
It's one of those.
You guys wanna? We've actually tweaked FIFA a little bit, so like we've actually updated the squads ourselves manually, lah. So Chelsea actually playing Brighton, right?
Yes. First day, first match week.
Right. We've also actually updated the Brighton squad, so we're going to actually have a matchup against Brighton,
Yes.
using Chelsea just to see how sexy this new Chelsea team will actually look, lah. Okay, let's go for this one, lah. Okay.
Sexy.
The producer has actually given us a challenge
Okay.
where we have actually got to score 5 goals in the first half, and we're also actually playing a special mode here. We're going to be using long range.
Okay.
So in the second half, we've got to score 4 long ranges.
The Brazilian Hinhao.
Brilliant. Kante, he's a bit of a dancer. He's a bit of a dancer!
What a dance!
He's a dancer, he's a dancer!
What a dance!
What Prashan does.
Woo!
Prashan does.
Woo! Woo!
Things lah, Prashant.
The target is 5. Let's go, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. We got a
19
long
minutes.
ranger.
Okay, it's a bit of a.
Woo! He's a nut job.
Oh! Woo!
Are you in? Get in! It's happening.
Havertz lah!
It's a special.
Oh shit!
My God.
I'm dropping
Oh,
the
shit.
controller. I cannot take it.
Just don't drop the ball with me,
I
okay?
cannot take it.
No. Rush, it's all on you, man. Clutch. Clutch.
No!
Referee Kayu.
Oh no!
Don't do that. Oh my God.
Dude, it's a throw-in.
Game. Hey, we lost our first challenge. Yeah, exactly.
And she's damn good.
She's
huh?
very good, huh?
Our,
She's very good
our
in
producer
FIFA,
loves
huh?
you guys so much. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Taka ticket. I'm here.
Yes, there we go. Team out.
What up? Yeah. Brilliant ball. It's
the
clutch.
ball, that's
It's
the
clutch.
ball.
1 down, 3 to go.
Clutch.
You got 11.
That's a goal.
Clutch.
My ear.
That is why I'm so happy I'm sitting this side.
Seriously.
You're like my filter, Raja.
Guys, we got 3 more.
Okay, and he's got a personal mic somewhere.
Seriously.
Hey,
You
guys.
all need to donate to Day Footballer so we can afford Prashant's mental health therapist.
I agree. I completely agree.
Havertz. Clutch! Clutch!
Oh my!
Come on!
Woo!
I'm a maniac!
You need a mental.
I'm a maniac!
That is mad, Dave. Oh my
I don't know which I
God.
need mental help for, you know.
Dave,
For
look
the
at this
goals-
goal, Dave.
For the goals of the
He was fouled, you know. He was
No.
looking at he was fouled.
God.
What a strike!
Come on, Dave, come on. Come
Prashant
on.
is a maniac.
Two more.
Both challenges, we were just
So close, though.
one shy.
Disappointing, lah. Very
Challenges.
disappointing.
Yeah, but the two posts that Raja hit,
Oh,
I
your
tell you,
God.
that was very frustrating. Yeah.
I swear to God, I'm so pumped up. I feel like the veins are popping in
I'm
my
like,
forehead.
I'm saddened. You know, because
So as you all can see, Prashant
I
is
felt
a
like-
mutant. He's a mutant in this game.
It didn't help. It
In
didn't
real
help.
life as well.
no,
He
but,
didn't help.
but I felt like I personally felt like I let you down, man. Terrible shot.
I feel like I let everybody.
It's all good. It's all good. But
Tabakong.
on that terrible note, we have to end the show, sadly. Yeah,
oh,
very
that's
sad.
it.
But
Okay.
once again, this show brought to you thanks to Rams Realty. Don't forget, if you've not checked, if you're ever looking for property, look for Rams Realty. And don't forget,
Look no further.
look no further. And also, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you've not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. If you're new as well, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell icon.
Don't forget to like Raja's new hairdo.
Yeah,
I
leave
got
a
one
comment
question
in the
for
comment section as well.
I got one question for our audience. Please let us know in the comments what shall I do with my hair. Shall I comb it? Shall I put some pomade or shall I botak the fleur? Please let me know in the comments.
Interesting
Okay?
question. Very
I tell you
interesting question.
something lah.
As you can see, I'm struggling. Every
Just-
episode, you'll see me just doing this and doing
whatever
that.
you should do, don't botak. That one time will handle it. So
Fair enough. But again, guys, our handles here right at the bottom. And once again, we out! We out! Get out of here! Woo! Oh, damn it.
Guys, wait, okay? We're currently on the road to hitting 1,000 subscribers. So hit the subscribe button in order for you to win the free gift. Okay? If you missed last week's episode, it's right here. The playlist is right at the bottom. Hit the subscribe button today, football! We love you guys so much.